In today's fast-paced world, building wealth through passive income is one of the smartest financial decisions you can make. Passive income is money you earn with minimal daily effort income that continues to flow even when you're not actively working. However, not every passive income idea fits everyone. What works for one person might not work for another. To reach your wealth goals, it's essential to identify the right passive income stream that aligns with your skills, resources, lifestyle, and long-term vision. This video will walk you through a detailed, step-by-step process to help you identify the most suitable passive income idea tailored specifically to your wealth building goals. But before we start, I would like you to like, share, and subscribe to this channel so that whenever we drop a video like this, you become one of the first person to be notified. 1. Understand what passive income really means. Before diving into specific ideas, you need to clearly understand what passive income is and what it isn't. Passive income is earnings that come in regularly without constant active effort, the result of upfront work, capital, or automation. Scalable over time, often allowing income to grow without a direct increase in time spent. Passive income is not a get-rich-quick scheme, always 100% hands-free, risk-free. Knowing this helps you have realistic expectations and prevents wasting time chasing easy money. 2. Clarify your wealth goals. Your passive income strategy should match your financial goals. Ask yourself, do you want early retirement? Are you seeking financial freedom, i.e. enough income to cover your expenses? Do you want to supplement your current income? Are you aiming to build generational wealth? Do you need cash flow now? Or are you okay with long-term growth? Each goal leads to different approaches. For example, if you want quick cash flow, you may consider rental income or dividend stocks. If you want long-term wealth, creating digital products or investing in appreciating assets might be better. 3. Assess your time availability. Some passive income ideas require more time up front, while others require ongoing involvement. Low-time options, high-yield savings accounts, index funds, REITs, medium-time options, blogging, self-publishing, affiliate websites, high-time initial options, real estate rentals, building a YouTube channel, developing an app. Be honest about how much time you can commit now and later. Your available time will greatly influence your best fit option. 4. Know your risk tolerance. Risk is a big part of investing or building any passive income source. Low risk options, bonds, savings accounts, dividend-paying blue chip stocks. Moderate risk options, real estate, REITs, online courses. High risk options, cryptocurrency staking, startup investing, new business models. Ask yourself, can I afford to lose some or all of my initial investment? Do I want steady, lower returns? Or am I okay with higher risk for potentially higher returns? Understanding your comfort with risk helps eliminate the wrong choices early. 5. Evaluate your skills and interests. A passive income idea that matches your strengths and interests is more likely to succeed. Ask, what am I good at? Writing, teaching, investing, tech, design, etc. What do I enjoy doing? Do I have specialized knowledge that others are willing to pay for? Examples. If you love writing and have knowledge to share, creating ebooks or online courses can work well. If you understand finance, dividend investing might be ideal. If you're good with tech, app development, or building websites, may be your best bet. 6. Consider your available capital. How much money can you invest up front? No or low capital. Start a blog, YouTube channel, podcast, print on demand. Medium capital. Buy dividend stocks. Peer-to-peer lending. Create an online course. High capital. Buy rental properties, franchise businesses, invest in REITs or index funds. Capital is one of the biggest decision-making factors. If you lack money, you'll need to trade your time to build your income source. 7. Explore the most popular passive income ideas. Here's a breakdown of some top passive income options based on the factors discussed. A. Dividend stocks requires capital investment. Time, minimal. Risk, medium. Best for those who want steady cash flow with less effort. B. Real estate rentals requires capital and time upfront. Time, moderate. especially if managing yourself. Risk, moderate to high depending on location. Best for long-term cash flow and property appreciation. C, REITs, real estate investment trusts, requires some capital. Time, minimal. Risk, moderate. Best for real estate exposure without owning physical property. D, affiliate marketing, requires time, tech knowledge. Time, high initially. Risk, low monetary, high in terms of effort. Best for content creators or bloggers. E, online courses, per exabyte ooks, requires time and expertise. Time, high up front, low after launch. Before we proceed, like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future content on money, mindset, and wealth creation. Risk, low. Best for teachers, coaches, and experts in any field. F, print on demand or drop shipping, requires time, marketing knowledge. Time, medium to high at first. Risk, low to moderate. Best for creative individuals or those who enjoy e-commerce. G, app or software development, requires technical skills or capital to hire developers. Time, high up front. Risk, high. Best for tech-savvy individuals or entrepreneurs. 8, research the market and profit potential. Before committing to an idea, research the potential earnings and market demand. Some income sources are saturated or have declining demand. Questions to ask. Is the niche growing or shrinking? Are people making money from this idea today? What's the average return? ROI? What competition exists? For example, if you want to start a YouTube channel, check trends, successful channels in your niche, and what content performs well. 9, run a small-scale test first. Don't go all in immediately. Test your passive income idea on a small scale before scaling up. Examples. Write one ebook and sell it before writing more. Try affiliate marketing on a small blog before launching a full website. Invest a small amount in dividend stocks or a rental property to learn. Testing saves you time, energy, and money. It also builds confidence. 10, track and adjust your progress. Passive income isn't set it and forget it. You must monitor and optimize regularly. Track how much you're earning monthly. Time spent maintaining the income stream. Profit versus expenses. What's working and what's not. Over time, you can eliminate what doesn't work and scale what does. 11, think long term. Some passive income streams take months or even years to become profitable. Stay committed. If your wealth goal is financial freedom in 5 years, don't expect success in 5 weeks. Consistency is key. Also, many income streams compound. For example, a blog gets more traffic over time. Real estate appreciates. Stock dividends can be reinvested. Plant the seeds now and harvest later. 12, diversify your passive income. Eventually, you should build multiple streams of passive income. This protects you against failure and increases your earnings. Start with one idea, master it, then expand. For example, start with dividend stocks, then write a digital product. Later, buy a rental property. This strategy offers both stability and growth. Final thoughts. Your path to smart passive income. There's no one-size-fits-all answer to passive income. The best idea for you depends on your skills, time, interests, resources, and most importantly, your wealth goals. Take the time to clarify your goals. Assess what you have and what you're willing to do. Start small, stay focused, adjust along the way. Once you find the right path and stick with it, passive income can provide financial security, freedom, and peace of mind for years to come. Remember, the goal isn't just to make money while you sleep, it's to build something today that gives you more opportunities. Before you go, like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future content on money, mindset, and wealth creation. Thanks for watching.